I personally am an entrepreneur, so I kind of I feel happy in terms of helping other entrepreneurs. So I definitely do not say no to them. But there's a catch because if I manufacture a very low quantity, depending on their requirement, then my feasibility will not be there,
Hmm.
which means I'll have to charge them higher. If I charge them higher, they would not be able to sell. So that's the reason why we do have an MOQ. I usually recommend about minimum 300 pieces per kilo per design, in which you can have multiple sizes. However, we are more than happy to do 100 pieces as well. But what happens is 300 pieces will have a better price. 100 pieces will have a little less cost effective, let's say pricing. So my recommendation is always, to go for at least 300 pieces per kilo per design for a good price.
Awesome. Um, in terms of your future vision for your business, I mean, it seems like you've just started. Like, where do you see your business going in the next 5, 10 years? Are you looking to get into new markets, get different kind of customers, work with different kind of fabrics, or really just, where you are, you just want to continue building organically?
See, it's been almost what, 13 odd years, 13 to 14 odd years, with this garment division itself. With this garment division itself, we've almost supplied to maybe 50 plus countries or 60 plus countries. And we've done products that are extremely complicated, to even small products that are less complicated. I guess the most expensive product we've done was costed the customer about 100, like, sorry, 1,000 pounds, approximately. So in today's value, like 1 lakh rupees, for example. So that's the kind of, product that we've built. I guess what we are doing right now is a mix of, both quantum and quality. So we do have large customers where we're supplying quantum products every month, where the quality is based on a very specific parameter. And the main factor is pricing. We are able to match that pricing and maintain that quality and consistency. We are getting those orders on a regular basis. However, for me personally, I love doing something that is challenging as well. So we are doing different kind of products that are probably higher in value, but the numbers are not really high, in terms of value is high. But the amount of percentage, let's say, that in terms of revenue that you generate based on that is kind of similar. So
Hmm.
in terms of growing in that space, I guess we are diversifying in both directions organically. And I guess that's what we want to keep on continuing, in the next couple of years as well, trying to improve our machinery, trying to improve our processes, going towards more leaner manufacturing, space, and that's how we improve our efficiency and reduce our cost and improve our, revenue, and profits. So I guess that's what we are focusing for the next couple of years.